Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Claude for contract drafting automation, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Claude's login page. Press the enter key to load the page. Once the page loads, locate the login option. Click on the login button or link. You will be directed to the login form. In the email field, enter the email address associated with your Claude account. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. Ensure there are no typos in your input. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on that link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. After entering your credentials, locate the login button on the form. Click on the login button to proceed. Wait a moment for the system to process your login. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the dashboard. If you encounter an error message, double-check your email and password. Make any necessary adjustments and try logging in again. Once logged in, explore the features available for contract drafting. You are now ready to start drafting contracts using Claude's tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.